after Cinco de Mayo. 6 de Mayo. No one celebrates that. You may be feeling a little hung and hanging from that tequila shot bar we were just talking about, but that's the perfect time to pamper yourself. Creator of Beauty Kitchen, Heather Marianna, joins us now with Cinco de Mayo dishes that double as DIY beauty treatments.
Yes.
And you also brought us fun, tiny hats. Which we're very excited about.
I love it.
So tell us what you brought.
So Cinco de Mayo, obviously you would think tequila shots, which actually tequila is a natural astringent. So if you get a tequila shots on your
Just
face,
throw it on my
you're
face.
fine. You're totally fine. Don't be worried. So it's salsa for your face and guacamole for your face.
Okay.
So a lot of people don't know that tomatoes, cilantro, lime, it's very delicious, but it's also very delicious for your skin. So tomatoes actually pull oil from your skin.
Okay.
And cilantro is actually a natural antibacterial, and lime actually shrinks your pores.
Okay, so how do we get it to stay on our face?
Well, you have to mix it all together.
Okay.
And you got to kind of lay back. I like to do the paper towel trick.
Okay, what's
Put
that?
it on, and then put a paper towel over, and then it'll stay.
Okay.
Like a little wet paper towel.
Okay. And just do a little relaxation. How long would you keep it on?
About 20 minutes.
Okay, 20 minutes. So cilantro, tomatoes,
And
lime.
I have some pre-made if you want to try.
On my face or in my tummy?
In your tummy.
Okay.
I have wheat thins and tortilla chips for you.
All right, let's do wheat thins.
So everybody knows that guacamole, you know, avocado is so soothing for your skin.
What kind of wheat thin is that?
It's tomato basil.
What? I've been eating the wrong wheat thin. That's
They're
so good.
and I have a bunch of extra ones for you.
Oh, okay. And then what's your next?
So avocado, everybody, avocado mask. It's so good for your hair. It's good for your skin. Well, it's really good for your face. So this is going to be good for dry skin, really good for oily skin as well. Okay. Avocado is going to be good for the dryness. Cilantro is going to help pull the oil out because it's a natural antibacterial. Cucumber is going to soothe any red spots. So all you have to do is just mix all the ingredients together, and that's this one, if you want to try it.
Okay.
So this one's a lot easier and more spreadable for your face. Another thing that I did want to say too is this is a good one for sunburns because it's very cooling.
Oh my God.
So if you're Cinco de Mayoing by the pool or out by the lake here in Boulder, you know, over by Boulder, this is a great mask that you can put on your sunburn while you're on the boat eating your chips and guac.
I say I tan red now because I feel like I get sunburn every single time.
Oh, well, I brought you some aloe spray. So.
Oh, my girl, tiny hats and aloe spray. Yay! This is awesome, and this is really delicious, too.
It's really good. It's good to eat and good for your skin.
And I love the idea of putting it in these tiny margarita glasses.
Yes.
Heather, you always have the best ideas.
Thank you
so much. Now, Courtney, over to you.